Here's the street in front of our house. Nobody will be coming up or down here for a long time. It's straight downhill that way, and then straight uphill this way. Just keeps coming down. My snow angel that I made just an hour ago is gone. Oh! It's really hard to walk because you just sink so deep. Oh! I think I just stepped on one of our yard lights. Rodney's not going to be happy about that. It's really cold out here. I'm going to try to walk down the steps. Can't see where they are, so. Oh. Well. Oh, my poor goldfish. Oh my gosh, I hope they're okay in there. It's heated, so they should be all right. I just want to remember how pretty it is. Trying to go back up the steps, but I can't see. Our neighbors have to park up here because there's no way they could make it up their driveway. Go back up to the street again. Oh yeah, I did step on a light. Dang it. See if you can see how deep this footprint is. I don't know if you can see that. Those cars won't be getting out for a while.